We're going to be very mild today, a high temperature actually around 46 degrees. The big issue today is going to be the winds, and on top of that, we're going to see rain, a steadier rain, potentially a heavier rain, arriving by the mid-morning hours, about 10 a.m. A wind advisory has been issued for all of western New York, the Niagara Frontier, southern Erie, and Chautauqua counties. Your wind advisory runs through 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. Cattaraugus, Allegheny, and Wyoming County, your wind advisory runs until 4 o'clock this afternoon. Sustained winds during the advisory time period will be 20 to 40 miles an hour, gusts potentially around 50 miles an hour. Now, with winds that strong, we can't rule out the possibility of some spotty power outages and downed tree limbs. On top of that, a freezing rain advisory is in effect for McKean and Potter counties. That's going to run until 10 a.m. this morning, although forewarned Doppler really not picking up on much precipitation. So the big issue, again, is going to be those winds that are going to be picking up as the morning wears on. Wind gusts in the southern tier now coming in around 30 miles an hour. Stronger winds will overspread the Niagara Frontier throughout the day today. On forewarned Doppler, we are tracking some scattered light precipitation here in the Niagara Frontier, up around the Falls, Wilson, out towards Medina, and then down towards the Cheektowaga area. Very, very light rain showing up on the radar. As we zoom in here, you can see some light rain over Kenmore and the downtown area as well. Now, taking you further south, we're indicating a rain-snow mix here in portions of Cattaraugus County out to around Wellsville. Steadier rain, though, is going to develop across the region, potentially a few thunderstorms today, and a high temperature of 46. Here you can see that on the satellite and radar image on the west end of Lake Erie down through Ohio. Notice some of the yellows there over the lake. If this system holds together, we can't rule out some thunderstorms during the mid-morning hours, and it is going to bring with it gusty winds within heavier downpours. Tonight, that cold front that you're seeing in Illinois will cross the area. With that, rain changing over to scattered snow. Look at our temperatures. We're almost at 40 already in Buffalo, 41 in Dunkirk, 38 in the Falls, 34 in Jamestown, 31 in Bradford, and 34 for those of you in Wellsville. So a good portion of the area is above freezing at this point. And again, we're going to feel more like spring today with our temperatures at least in the mid-40s. Tracking your weather with Super Microcast, here we are at 8 a.m. Notice the steadier, more widespread rain arriving around 10 a.m. At the noontime picture, Microcast bringing in rain, some heavier downpours indicated by the yellows. We are continuing to see rain at times throughout the evening hours, and then overnight tonight around midnight we start to see scattered rain mixing with and changing over to snow. And then for tomorrow we will be dealing with some scattered light snow at times. Travel forecast for today, it's a soggy one. New York rain, a high there of 48. Syracuse rain as well with a high temperature of 47. Again, for tonight we see rain change over to snow. We're still windy tonight. We're looking at a low temperature around 30. Slight chance of some freezing drizzle tonight around the state line. For tomorrow, scattered light snow, but little or no accumulation. We're breezy, we're colder, a high temperature of 34. Partly sunny on Wednesday, a high of 35. Chance of rain and snow Thursday through Sunday. Victoria.